My name is Ali and I work with MLC College. I'm an instructor where we offer a nail art and extension course. Some things you'll expect to learn in this course are going to be gel extensions, acrylic extensions, manicures, and pedicures. You will have lots of time to practice, and we even offer bringing in live models. In this course, you will be given a kit, and in the kit, you're going to have an acrylic kit with the monomer, the brushes, acrylic powder itself, and the dappen dish. You're going to be getting a mini UV light, top and base coat. You're going to be getting a dip color as well, which you will be putting into practice. And then in this little bag, you're going to have some sponges for ombre, a nail file, some nail tips, gel nail polish color, and of course some glue to put everything together. We go through everything from the nail preparation of washing your hands to the sanitation that you're going to need with every client.